Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable JavaScript in Inspect element in Google Chrome. This can be really useful when you're debugging a website or testing how pages behave without JavaScript running. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots there, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal Chrome's main menu options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says More Tools. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. In this secondary menu, click on Developer Tools. This will open Chrome's powerful set of development features that give you deep access to how websites function. Once you click Developer Tools, the developer panel will appear on your screen. It typically opens either on the right side or at the bottom of your browser window, showing you various tabs like Elements, Console, and Network. This is where developers inspect and debug web pages in real time. Now look for the gear icon within the Developer Tools panel. This icon represents the settings menu for developer tools and is usually located in the upper right corner of the panel itself. Click on this gear icon to open the settings section, which gives you control over how the developer tools behave. After clicking the gear icon, the settings panel will open. On the left side of this settings panel, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Make sure you are on the Preferences tab. This is the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of the developer tools environment. Now scroll down through the Preferences section. You're looking for a specific area labeled Debugger. This section contains settings related to how Chrome handles JavaScript debugging and execution. Keep scrolling until you spot this Debugger section. Once you've found the Debugger section, you'll see an option that says Disable JavaScript. This is the key setting you're looking for. When this option is enabled, it tells Chrome to stop executing JavaScript code on any page you visit while developer tools are open, allowing you to see how websites function without scripts running. Simply check the checkbox next to Disable JavaScript to enable this feature. Once checked, JavaScript will be disabled for any page you load or refresh while the developer tools remain open. And that's it. You've successfully disabled JavaScript in Chrome's Inspect element. This gives you complete control over testing and debugging websites without JavaScript interference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.